India will use diplomatic channels to bring back Mehul Choksi from Dominica, sources have said after the statement by Antigua's Prime Minister that the fugitive jeweler can be sent back directly after his capture in Dominica yesterday. Remember, he's wanted by both the CBI and Enforcement Directorate. And now sources in the Home Ministry have said that India enjoys good ties with Dominica, pointing out that the government recently sent 1 lakh COVID vaccines free of cost to the tiny Caribbean island as part of the Vaccine Maitri initiative. Since Mehul Choksi entered Dominica illegally, it will be easy to deport him to India, according to sources.
We have requested Prime Minister Skerrit and law enforcement in Dominica not to return him to Antigua, where he has legal and constitutional protection. In fact, we have requested specifically that he be detained and to allow law enforcement in India to make the necessary arrangements with the Dominican government to have Mr. Choksi returned directly to India.
Now, Mehul Choksi had disappeared from Antigua, and the local media had reported that perhaps he was escaping to Cuba, but after a few days, he was then arrested in Dominica, and that is where he is now. As you just heard, the Antiguan Prime Minister is suggesting that he not be brought back to Antigua, as he is a citizen now of Antigua and he enjoys certain constitutional rights. He suggests that India directly try to deport him from Dominica. Let's go across to Neeta Sharma for more. And Neeta, tell us, what are you hearing? What are the latest developments from Dominica? There have been some.
Absolutely, Gargi. You know, a habeas corpus petition has been filed in Dominica by the legal team of Mr. Mehul Choksi. In fact, the court now has also allowed the permission, and they have also said that he would not be, moving away from Dominica till that petition is heard upon. You know, his lawyer's allegation is that when they discovered earlier, they were not allowed access to Mehul Choksi, and when they were allowed access to, they saw that he was beaten up and he was also roughed up. That's the allegation of his lawyers. However, now the case is listed to be heard today in the evening, Friday evening, as far as India is concerned. Then only we will know what the movement forward as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned. But as far as India is concerned, that this is a good news, because earlier, Antigua, in fact, Dominica had released a statement saying that he would be again sent back to Antigua. However, the Antiguan Prime Minister was of the opinion that he should be sent back to India. So it's kind of a triangle now there, between Antigua, India and Dominica. However, Indian diplomatic sources are telling us that India diplomatically will try to get back Mr. Mehul Choksi, get him deported back, because obviously India does not have an extradition treaty with Dominica. In its absence, the best way forward for India would be to get him deported back. And if the court wants, because India has been stressing time and time again that Mr. Mehul Choksi is an illegal immigrant as far as Dominica is concerned, and he should not be sent back to Antigua and rather should be deported back to India. Gargi?
Right, Neeta, another interesting, thing that emerged is that Mehul Choksi's lawyer claimed that he didn't voluntarily go to Dominica. He suggested that may be the case. What do we know about that?
Absolutely. Earlier also 3 days back, when we had spoken to his legal counsel here in Delhi, Mr. Vijay Agarwal, that time also he had suggested that, there was some murmur about CID, but yesterday also he gave a statement that he had not voluntarily left Antigua, and he was, in fact kidnapped or abducted from there and taken to Dominica. That is the thing which needs to be investigated. According to Mr. Vijay Agarwal, that he should not be sent back to India, because already the case of Mr. Mehul Choksi is pending in Antigua court, and he has also cited international laws and also Passport Act laws, saying that Mehul Choksi is not a citizen of India any longer. He is a citizen of Antigua, and a person should be deported back to the host country only as far as this law is concerned. So obviously legally it's going to be a case for India to work upon, but as far as India is concerned, they are a little hopeful that he would be sent back from Dominica to India. But as far as his legal counsel is concerned, this is a battle which is going to be played in the Dominican court.